Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a cute sticker in using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI tool that will help you create any AI content like maybe AI talking photos, short drama agent, and then avatar videos, product showcase, product photos, and many more. And in here, we will use this tool to turn your photo into a cute sticker. And if you want to try this tool, you can just click the link in the descriptions or pin comment to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI like this. You will see the homepage like this, and then go to Image Studio, this one, and then go to AI Designs, and then in here, just upload the photo that you want to transform into a cute sticker. For example, like this, and then just write your prompt. You can also copy my prompt like this. But if you want to tweak it, just feel free to tweak it. Then next, just choose your AI model, and then resolutions and the and the ratio. And after that, just click submit. And okay, like this, you will get the results, several results like this. And I think the results are cool. It's so cute like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.